we recommend 4 easy ways to bring variety to your voice. Power is the volume of your speech, how loudly you're speaking. You can vary the power of your speech to emphasize your points. For example, you could create more intimacy by lowering your volume, or inject more passion by increasing it. Pitch is how high or how low you speak. A good rule of thumb is that a medium or low pitch makes you appear calm or confident, whereas a high pitch can make you seem stressed or anxious. However, the secret to using pitch in your speech is variety. Varying your pitch keeps the audience interested. Pace is the speed that you speak at. It's usually a good idea to slow down your delivery when you're giving a speech, because nerves and excitement make people speak faster. Speaking slowly makes you appear calm and in control, while speaking too quickly can make it hard for the audience to keep up with your points. Varying your pace, choosing key moments to slow down or speed up, will make your speech more interesting. Never underestimate the power of the pause. Pausing allows your audience a moment to consider what you're saying, and it's a great way to highlight the importance of certain points. Silence on stage can feel frightening for the speaker, but it's a very powerful technique for intriguing your audience and allowing your message to land.